ideal first home or downsize in style. This home is close to playgrounds and schools and will support your daily family needs. The home has 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and it has space for up to 2 vehicles. The kitchen is the hub of this home. This home offers open-plan, spacious living, and it delights with its look and feel. It comes with air conditioning, as well as plenty of play spaces for the kids. Add to that a very private backyard. Looking for the perfect downsizer? Great opportunity to provide an ideal family base. Don't let this opportunity pass. Call today.